Hello and welcome to Property Makers. I am Sagar Shere and real estate sector is going through a slowdown. Today we'll be having an exclusive conversation with Devang Trivedi, MD of Progressive Group, talking about post-pandemic scenarios in real estate sector and what all expectations builder lobby should keep from the government.
We have projects at Ulve. We have ready position apartments at Ulve. We have about 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom apartments, and all premium locations, as well as ready apartments, ready to move in apartments. We also have under construction projects at Ulve. We have a new project which is yet to be launched, coming up in months or a month or 2 months time at Kopergadve. In real estate sector, see, from a developer's perspective, everything will change, because the way he's doing his construction at site, the way he's planning his cash flows, the way he's going about in terms of execution of your entire business plan, in terms of men, people, labors, and maneuvering of site. And main thing is, a developer is now expected to be ready for any kind of uncertainty. Now, uncertainty has become a new normal. So, the major impact, I think, will be execution and cash flow management from a developer's perspective. From a customer's perspective, I think they would want to stretch a little bit and go for that extra little space for their work from home, or if they want to have social distancing, or they want to have what we say extra room for working webinar and other things. So I think the customer would want to really, whatever space they have in their mind, with respect to their budget, they would want to stretch and get that additional half room wherever possible. Real estate has been providing 7 to 8% of the, what we say, GDP, and around 350 indirectly industries are connected to real estate. So the government needs to take a macro look and kind to the issue after agriculture, real estate what we say, upswing has to be their main priority. If that takes place, I think another 350 industries will also start thriving and booming. Government needs to take a very pragmatic way. We also understand government as of now is only looking at COVID and COVID related responses, and the entire finance that they have, or entire budget, physical or monetary, is going towards that direction. But as soon as possible, I think the real estate should be looked into. This will be a new trend. It will be. It can be one of the complementary tool to marketing. It cannot only be the only way which will come up in future. It can definitely be a complement or a supplement to your existing media plan, and definitely it is going to be a strong tool in terms of spreading awareness about any kind of thing which a project would want to communicate, kind of. So I think it is here to stay. It will go a long way, and things will go on improvising. But I don't think this is going to be the only way. My take on this, but this is a sustainable thing, where because now we have seen that the report show that most of the new buyers in New Bombay are in the range of 30-35. They are tech savvy. They are used to operation through their smartphones or their computer and other things. So I think yes, this is going to be there for long and a sustainable tool. there is a dearth of a very active online property portal. Firstly, from the perspective of a new home buyer, they are looking for a lot of questions which needs to be answered. Number one, they are looking for a lot of awareness, node wise, project wise, budget wise, do's and don'ts. There are many things which you come across. So they are looking for a entire source of knowledge gathering or basic study about real estate in particular nodes and other things. They want a one stop shop kind of thing, and they are not getting it anywhere. They are not getting the quality that they are looking for. They are also not looking. They are not having access to a lot of frequently asked questions which many people have in their mind. Suppose if I am a home buyer, I am looking forward to certain things, but somewhere down the line, I, because of my limitation, am not able to gather right set of questions. But when I have a lot of FAQs, even things which are not in my mind, I can kind of leverage from other people's FAQs and other things. That is frequently asked questions. Also, being a what we say a content which is knowledge driven, there are so many things where they like street view and project view and comparison within between different projects, and so many activities can be taken. So I the more committed a channel is, or more committed and homework that a channel does, I think will go a long way. Please follow and visit Property Makers. I feel they have a great team, and I wish them all the best.